Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to lock screen while watching YouTube videos on iPhone. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our YouTube to open one of the videos. Okay, I'm going to just open one video and then I'm going to just close it for the main part, right? Now I close that video, right? Now what I'm going to do, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings. Okay, in the settings, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move along to the general, right? And basically scroll a little bit down until you find the option picture in picture. Right here, you're going to see it. Go ahead and click on it and make sure that you turn on the start PIP or picture in picture automatically. When you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture in picture. Okay, so basically once I play that video, right, I can just go back to my home screen and then browse, and from the bottom I could go from my to the home screen, as I said, and the video will minimize into a small window. You can then switch to another app or lock your screen while watching or while the video continues playing in the PIP window. But this feature may not be available in your region yet, so do not expect anything if you don't have that feature. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.